how to connect Payoneer to Shopify. So if you want to quickly go ahead and connect your Payoneer account to your Shopify, what you're simply going to do is first of all, you're going to log in with your Shopify. And you're also going to want to make sure that you have a properly set up Payoneer account. Now, if you don't have a Payoneer account set up, obviously this video, you are going to want to make sure to set things up before getting into things. Now, I already have a Payoneer account, so I'm going to go ahead to settings. So once you go to settings, you're going to come to payments. And once you come to payments, what you're going to do is you're going to come to supported payment methods and click on add payment method. Once you do that, click on search by payment method. And then you're going to click on search by provider. And then you're going to write Payoneer. And it's going to give you Payoneer checkout. And this is what we're going to want to go with. So once you click on that, you're going to click on install, where it's going to start installing the Payoneer checkout, including the actual perks of it that it gives it with. So you're going to click on install app, Payoneer checkout. And once you click on install app, what that will quickly do for you is it will simply bring you to this section where it's going to say finish setting up your Payoneer account checkout. So you can actually finish setting these things up by actually going into the actual management. So you're going to go on manage, where it's going to take you to the Payoneer checkout section. And here you're either going to register if you don't have an account, or you're going to sign in with your current account. Okay, you're going to log in. And once you log in, what that will simply do is it will activate things with your Shopify account. And that is pretty much about it. So thank you for watching this video all the way till the end, and I will be seeing all of you in the next video. Goodbye.